Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can find your Binance wallet address, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Binance app, and now once you open it, and yeah, make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Binance apps on in the screen, where you can see there is a wallet option just down below of this dashboard, which is at the bottom right corner of this screen. So let's tap on that wallet icon, and now you can see there is a overview option. So let's select the overview now, and now you can see there is a deposit. So just tap on that deposit, which is at the left side of this P2P option. So once you tap on it, you will be redirected to the another section where you can see there is a lots of cryptos over here. So let me choose any of them. So let me choose USDT for now, and now you can see there are lots of networks over here. So basically once you tap on any of the networks, you're gonna get your wallet address successfully. So let me choose BNB Smart Chain for now, and now you can see there is a deposit address. So you simply need to copy this one and you need to paste it to the another wallet, and yeah, you'll be able to receive your cryptocurrency successfully. So basically this is how you can find your Binance wallet address. And let's get back, and now let me tap on the USDT again, and now let's choose the Ethereum ERC20, and you can see there is a ERC20 wallet address over here of your Binance wallet address, Binance wallet. So basically this is how you can find your Binance wallet address. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.